Hello everyone, welcome to the ANV Soft channel. Today we are going to show you how to convert MKV to MP4 for free. We will use any video converter free which supports conversion of multiple formats. Now let's start to convert MKV to MP4. First upload the MKV file to the program, then you will see some information about the MKV video including resolution. Then come to the output options. Here you can see multiple output formats including MP4, AVI. If you're not sure which format you need, you can also choose by device. Back to format, then we choose MP4. Here you can also adjust the quality and size of the video. If you need more advanced video resolution enhancement capabilities, you can choose AVC Labs Video Enhancer AI. Then, in the lower right corner, you can customize basic settings, including video options and audio options. After all the other options and parameters are set, click the To Start button to convert MKV videos to MP4. After the conversion is completed, you can view the corresponding MP4 files in the history. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.